Hi friends, today you worked on finding the onset and rhymes of a word. The onset is the first part, the first sound in the word, and the rhyme is all the rest of the sounds in the word. So you will be on Schoology today. The first thing you are going to do is you're going to say the word. This word is bag. We're going to say the first part, the onset, B. Then we're going to say the last part, ag. That's the rhyme. Then we need to choose our answer. So this question says, what is the first part of bag? If I think the first part is called the onset, and we said B was the first sound. So you would click the letter B, and then you would, I'll move this over, are going to click the next button, and you're going to do that for all the questions. Good luck!